How can I prevent myself from Marburg virus disease? MVD is a severe and often fatal illness. Here are some ways to
Ncuti TV show. Link people with friends.
prevent it. Avoid contact with infected individuals. Avoid contact with the blood, bodily fluids, and secretions of people who are sick with MVD. This includes vomit, urine, saliva, and semen. Avoid touching the bodies of people who have died from MVD. Avoid contact with objects that may have been contaminated with blood or bodily fluids of an infected person. Avoid contact with wild animals and their environments. Avoid contact with fruit bats. Which are the natural hosts of the Marburg virus? Avoid contact with sick non-human primates, such as monkeys and apes. Avoid eating bushmeat or hunting wild animals. Practice safe hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after coming into contact with sick people or their belongings. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizers if soap and water are not available. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing. Dispose of tissues properly. If you are a healthcare worker, follow strict infection control measures when caring for patients with MVD. This includes wearing personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gowns, masks, goggles, and gloves. Isolate patients with MVD in a private room. Avoid aerosol-generating procedures, such as intubation, if possible. If you are traveling to an area where MVD is present, be aware of the risk of MVD and take precautions to avoid exposure. Follow the advice of local health authorities. If you have any concerns about your risk of MVD, please consult with a healthcare professional.